The bold new Hercules Raptis RT5 all-season UHP tire is shifting the perspective on performance and challenging the expectations of what a value brand can deliver. The Raptis RT5 holds its own against major tire brands across key performance categories, including ride comfort, noise control, and tread wear, achieving a UTQG rating of 500. The Raptis RT5 handles exceptionally well in wet and dry road conditions and earned the highest UTQG traction rating of AA. At the core of the Raptis RT5 is its groundbreaking integrated performance system, bringing 3 innovative technologies together to provide greater performance at every turn. 3D Ultra Wave Sipes shorten braking distance and increase control. Hercules EvacuTrack grooves disperse water more quickly for better handling on wet surfaces. And the Cool Course temperature control system optimizes performance and enhances tire life. Other key features of the Raptis RT5 further improve handling and increase control. Backed by a robust warranty, industry-leading road hazard protection, and our 30-day Trust Our Ride test drive program, the Hercules Raptis RT5 is the confident choice for drivers of today's performance cars and high-end sports sedans alike.